In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step how to create a system restore point. So in the search, you're gonna type system restore. So you can say create a system restore point, or you're gonna type as it is, create a system restore point. You can follow the steps for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So here's the system protection. Click on configure and you're gonna turn on the system protection. Click on apply and OK. And now here you have to create. Click on create. You're going to type some descriptions, current date and time. So I'll give the date today, exactly when I'm creating the restore points on 8/19/2023. This is the date when I'm creating this restore point. Click on create. Now it is creating the restore point. Let it takes it time. So currently I'm creating this restore point for this particular drive, local drive C system on. So it is creating the restore point at this particular period of time. Whatever is the condition of my operating system, whatever is the condition of my system right now, it's working fine. All the apps, features, whatever I've installed, it's working fine. If later on in future, if it do not work fine, I'll restore my PC back to this particular point, this particular date when it was working fine. So in future, if it is not working fine, when I'm restoring my PC to this particular date, now my system will be working fine because at this point of time, my system is working fine. So system will come back to this state, past state from the future state. And my system will be working fine. I can use my systems. I can access all my important information. So that is why people do create the system restore point. The restore point was created successfully. Now I can close. Now ever, if you get any kinds of issue, you can restore the system. You can click on system restore, click on next, and here you have a system restore point you have created. You can click on next and follow this wizard to restore system to this particular state. Click on finish, click on yes. Now my system will be restored at this particular point again. So this is the procedure. How do you create a system restore point and how do you again restore your system to that particular date? So what you can do is if you are really working on daily basis on your PC, you are doing different kinds of tasks and you are installing different types of applications, what you can do is you can come to this wizard and you can create a restore point every day. Later on, suppose any day we are getting any kinds of problem in your PC, you can still come one day back into your PC and you can access all your important files and you can start working. Or you can create a restore points on every week. So every week if you create a restore point and you can give the date on a name so you can recognize it. So every week restore point will be there in your PC. So you can restore your PC again back to any state or any date later on. So you can see my system is being restored. This is the procedure of creating a system restore point and restoring the system again. So you can see it's gonna take some time and you have to just walk around and come back. I've successfully restored and here it is. So this is the procedure how you create a restore point and again whenever you need how do you restore your PC to that particular point. So even I have a message over here that system restore completed successfully. The system has been restored to this particular point and 8/19/2023 and even date. The document has not been affected. So none of the document has been affected. So it's not a difficult work to do. You can do it. It's easy. So be sure to hit the like, subscribe, comment, and share this video.